Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of the Hermes items I got. So some are for present for my friend for Christmas and some are for myself. Let's start unboxing. So if you wanna buy something from Hermes but not too much like burdensome, like very casual present, I recommend to buy like lipstick or like a beauty item is good. And I got all this nail polish. So I got some nail polish before I tried. I liked it. So these are all kind of dark color, not that like a light color. I cannot try it on because it's present. Let me show you quickly. So first one, the color is number 49 Rose Tamize. Yeah, number 49 Rose Tamize. Rich dark, kind of dark pink color. I would say between pink and brown. I would say. This is Rose Tamize. I think this color gonna be really good for winter. Second one is number 85 Rouge H. Rouge H is very dark, rich, like true red color, as I know. So let's see how does it look like here. True red color, dark red. Usually I put this kind of rich dark red color for the toenail. Third one is Rouge Piment. Number 66 Rouge Piment. Really true red, I would say, like this. Rouge H is very dark red, but this one is like true red color. Fourth one is number 75 Rouge Amazon, another rouge red color. So Rouge Amazon, let's see. This is like, I feel like between Rouge H and Rouge Piment. It's a little bit different tone. See, Rouge Piment, Rouge Amazon. See, almost same color, I would say. Rouge Amazon is darker. Rouge Amazon is darker color than Rouge Piment. Rouge Piment is brighter. First one, Rouge Piment. Second one, Rouge Amazon. Third one, Rouge H. So these three color, if you have all these, yeah, you can use in different like occasion. I love all this red color. Fifth one is number 89 Violet Byzantine. I think it's very dark between red and violet. I think it's almost similar to Rouge H. See this? But it has more violet shade. Yeah, like purple shade a little bit, but almost similar to Rouge H. The last one is number 30, Rose Horizon. Kind of coral color, but it's between orange and pink. Very unique color, but I think this is like almost like coral colors. I love it. So the price of each nail polish is $45 before tax. So including tax, now it's like over 10%. So I would say like $50 including tax. And it's not too expensive, less than $100. I highly recommend as a Christmas gift. So from now on, I gotta do unboxing of two items. One is bagcharm. I was asking about this item to my essay, and she said she just got the day I was asking, and she could get it, fortunately. So yeah, let's open this one first. So this one I haven't seen anywhere yet. This is very unique. I would say really like unicorn among all the bagcharm. Before I open this one, I wanted this bagcharm for either Kelly or Birkin. It's gonna go well with any of these. If the size fit, I really want to use for the Birkin. So let me open. The name of this bagcharm is Gigi Savannah. So Gigi is like zebra, I think, in French, as I know. Savannah is like, I think they just put the name of the place in Africa, I guess. So Gigi Savannah bagcharm. This one, like we have rodeo, and rodeo is like really like common now. And sometimes I want to change to something a little bit different and a little bit unique. So I think this is so cute because there's like white color, black color. Also there is pink color here. So I like this three color combo, and the eye is like pink color. Let me talk about price quickly and the color again. Price in USA is US dollar 620 and over 10% sales tax, $620 in USA. The color they are saying, this is actually gray and noir, which is black, Rose Mexico. So you can match with any like pink color bag would fit. Also black color or like a white or ivory color would fit as well. So let me try with maybe Birkin first. Oh my god, this really is cute on my Birkin, black color. I'm not sure it comes with small size as well, but yeah, this is a little bit bigger size. Hopefully there's small size coming out in maybe different color so that we can choose the size. So cute. different. It's a little bit big, yeah, I would say. If you have Birkin 30 size, I think it's gonna fit pretty much. This is like a rodeo size, that feeling. This gives some vibrant, colorful vibe I love. Now, let me try this Gigi Savannah on my Kelly. I think this gold color is like neutral color, so it goes well with this Gigi Savannah because it has like another neutral color which is gray, noir, so it goes well. Actually, this 28 size fits for this Gigi Savannah bagcharm because this is pretty big. Oh my god, this is so pretty together. I think this is better than Birkin 25 size. What do you think? And this material, this is made of Miller lambskin, very soft. There's a Hermes Paris made in France. There's a stamp right here. And the back side, I'm not sure which one is the back side, but the other side there's no stamp, but this side there's stamp here. I think this really goes well with this size and the color. Next one is spring summer, new season, ready to wear. So I tried some, you could see from my shopping vlog. And this one is, yeah, what I like. So let me open. If I talk about Chanel ready to wear and Hermes ready to wear, Chanel style I love. They have so many cute, like really like young kind of style. And I like tweed, everything. But Hermes has really good price. Compared to Chanel, they have really good quality, but cheaper than Chanel, I would say, for ready to wear. This is perfect for daily. So this is denim skirt. And typical Hermes, the orange color, I would say it's like almost same as this color, but toned down orange color. You know, Hermes make really like decent, good color for everything, either beauty product or like bag, everything. So this one I tried, I really loved it. This is front. So I was trying to find the same one from homepage. I couldn't find the exactly same one, but I found something similar. Yeah, so I put here. So the price of this denim skirt was in USA $910 before tax, and sales tax is like 10%. On the side there's a button and zipper, so you can wear like this. Made in Italy. Size is 38. Blue denim. So I didn't know they are making like this kind of denim as well. When I think about Hermes, they don't have like casual style. That's what I was thinking all the time, but like they have casual style as well. Denim stretch. Size 38. Orange maroon. White top, ivory top would fit well with this style. Typical like Hermes button. I love it. Backside is like this. It's very simple style denim skirt. I love it. It's very comfortable. The material is 98% cotton, 2% elastane. If you ask the hanger, they give like this. If you request, they're gonna give you. So I can use for the skirt.